Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you how to remove PayJoy from Android phone. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to remove PayJoy from your Android device here and maybe, like for example, remove or totally remove that specific app, well, this one is going to be kind of complicated. Now, in order for you to remove the app, like let's just say you already paid off or what you own with the company or with the shop here, well, typically what you just need to do is you want to go and go to your settings here, scroll down a bit, and you want to look for the option that says apps. Now, inside apps here, you want to look for the option that says PayJoy. So you go and just click on search apps, just type in PayJoy. And if you do see that in here, you go and select that. And once you select the PayJoy, you should see the option that says uninstall. Now, typically, it's going to be the center one at the very bottom of the screen. And once you click on it, that would uninstall the app itself. But the thing with PayJoy here, this PayJoy or the app itself is kind of different. Now, the thing with PayJoy here is if you haven't settled your account or you haven't fully paid for your device or you haven't settled your account, well, PayJoy will operate in a root level. So meaning the app itself is installed inside in the deeper levels of your phone. So any means of uninstalling the app would not work here. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you settle your account first. And once you've settled your account, you need to wait the full day. And once a full day is or has been has passed here, you go and just try it again, open up the settings app and try uninstalling it again. But if that doesn't work, the next thing that you want to do is you may need to contact either the store or PayJoy's customer service. So in this case, you want to open up any other browser here or any browser they have and just type in PayJoy support and just make sure that you are accessing their official website. Now, in their contact us page here, just provide the necessary details like your full name, your contact number, and the reason for request. Now, from here, just mention that you need assistance uninstalling PayJoy after your account has been settled. And once you've done that, you can just choose the I have read and agreed. And you also consent to deletion of your personal information and understand the consequences here. So in this case, go and click on submit. And typically, they will reach out to you via the contact details that you provided on your request here. And they'll be able to interact with you on what you need to do or what you need to settle here in order for you to uninstall the actual app. But that's about it. If you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.